Bree, the Coupon Queen, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My channel is all about money saving tips and the best deals at the local stores. So I wanted to share with you guys a couple different scenarios for the 5 off of 25 digital coupon that is available for Saturdays only at Dollar General. So for this Saturday, March 7th, the coupon is already available in your app. All you need for these deals is download the Dollar General app. Make sure you sign up for their rewards. You're just going to enter your name, your email, your phone number, and then you're going to have your access to your account. Make sure you go to the coupons and you're going to clip all of the coupons that we're going to go over in this scenario. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I did just hit 5,000 subscribers, so I will be doing another subscriber appreciation giveaway in my Walgreens beauty haul that I will be posting tomorrow. So make sure you stay tuned for that on the channel. So the first scenario I want to go over with you, you're going to pick up 2 Febreze. You can either get the Febreze Small Spaces or the Febreze Air Effects. They're $3 each, so buying 2 would bring you to $6. You're going to buy 2 Snuggle or All detergents or fabric softeners. They are going to be $4 each or 2 for $8. Buy 1 of the Bic Flex, it's men's razors. They are $6. 1 of the Tide liquid detergent, it's 37 fluid ounces. They are $4.99. And 1 of the Gain fabric softener, they are $3.95. So your total is going to come to $28.90, which is over the $25 mark. These are all the digital coupons that you're going to be needing. The $3 off of 2 for the Febreze, $4 off of 2 for the All or Snuggle. Now you see all the different products that are listed. You can buy any 2 of these products. So you can mix and match. You can buy the All liquid and the Snuggle scent shakers or whatever you want to do. I always recommend you scan the item on the app just to make sure that the coupon is attaching. Sometimes different scents or different variations of a product will attach and some won't. So you always want to make sure that the coupon is pulling up, that it is working for that product, that we don't have any issues at checkout. The $1 off anyone Gain fabric enhancer, fabric softener, or the Gain fireworks, so you can pick up either of those products there. The $2 off of the Tide liquid, $4 coupon for the Bic Flex disposable razors, and of course the most important is that 5 off of 25, and as you see listed there, it's valid only on Saturday. So every Saturday we get a new coupon. These do become available, I think, on Sunday, and you can clip it for the following Saturday. So make sure you have all of these loaded to your card. Final breakdown, the total is going to be $28.90 in products that you're going to buy. You're going to use that 5 off of 25 digital coupon. The remaining coupons that you're going to use equal $14. So you're going to pay just $9.90 plus taxes out of pocket for 7 items, or $1.41 each, which is a great price point because we're getting a lot of different laundry products and household items. The next scenario is Gain. I know a lot of people love Gain. Some areas, the Gain 5 off of 30 and the Saturday 5 off of 25 coupon do stack. In my region, it does not stack. They do not work together, so that's why I'm not doing it that way. But a lot of people still love Gain products, so I wanted to do one scenario just dedicated to a bunch of Gain and Gain scented items. So for this scenario, you're going to pick up 1 of the Gain Flings, the 51 count. They are $13.95. 1 of the Gain fabric softener. They are $3.95. 1 of the Swiffer wet refill. It's the wet mop refills, the Gain scented. So make sure you find that Gain logo on the product. They are $4.50. And 2 of the Gain dish soap, the 21 ounces. They're $2 each, so that would equal $4. So total for all of these products is going to be $26.40. These are the digital coupons that you're going to want to load to your card. So the ones that say DG exclusive, some accounts got them, some accounts did not. So just keep that in mind. There's a ton of different Gain coupons that you can use. So whichever Gain coupons you have, make sure you guys clip them, send them to your card, and we can put together a great scenario for you. So the first coupon is the $3 off one Tide or Gain. For the Gain Flings, it's the 51 count. For the Gain dish soap, it's $1 off of 2. The Gain fabric softener, we have $1 off digital coupon. The 5 off of 25, of course, again, we want to make sure that is loaded to our card. And the Swiffer, $2 off any one Swiffer product. Here is the final breakdown in numbers for that deal. Total is $26.40. You're going to use that 5 off of 25 digital coupon. The other digital coupons equal $7. So you're going to pay $14.40 plus taxes for all 5 items, or $2.88 each, which is definitely not a bad deal because you're getting 51 Gain Flings, and the original price on that was $13.95. You're getting it for just $2.88. So I thought that was a really great scenario. And the last scenario I want to share with you all is just a couple different products, just more of a well-rounded scenario depending on what items, of course, you and your family need. So the first item you're going to pick up is a crest. There's a couple different varieties of the crest. Again, make sure you're scanning them to make sure the coupon is attaching. But you want to pick up one that is $2 and it has to be 3 ounces or larger. One CoverGirl lipstick, it's $3.75. One of that new product, the Dawn Power Wash. I've already heard some really great things about it. I've purchased one. I still haven't used it yet because we have a Dawn dish soap that we're trying to finish out, and then I'm going to switch to that and give it a shot. If you have used that product so far, drop a comment. Let me know what you guys think about it and if it's something that you guys would, continue to buy in the future. So you're going to pick up one of those for this scenario. They're $4.95. One of the Tide Pods, the 12 to 16 count, they are $4.95. One Downy fabric softener, I believe it's the 60 loads, $4.50. And one Tide liquid, $4.95. So the total for all these products is $25.10. So we just hit that $25 mark. These are all the digital coupons you want to have loaded to your card. $2 off one Crest toothpaste, again 3 ounces or more. $2 off one CoverGirl lip product. $2.50 off of the Dawn Platinum Power Wash. $2 for the Tide liquid. $2 for the Tide Pods, and $1.50 off of one for the Downy. That is the 60 loads. I think that's the right coupon. Anyway, there is a $1.50 coupon that will work. And the 5 off of 25, of course, you want to have loaded. So here is the final breakdown. Total is $25.30. You're going to use that 5 off of 25. The remainder of those digital coupons is $12. You're going to pay $8.10 plus taxes for all 6 items, or just $1.35 each. So this final scenario is the lowest out of pocket and the lowest price point per item, but I wanted to put together a couple different scenarios for you in case you guys have different digital coupons, and of course in case you guys are needing different products. So all 3 scenarios have a wide range of different products, and of course you guys can mix and match. So if you find a couple items from scenario 1, scenario 2, and scenario 3 that you want, you guys can of course put that together. Just do the math yourself, and then you'll put together a great deal for Saturday. If you guys have any questions or anything, of course, make sure you guys drop a comment. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.